Hey guys, what is going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I am back out at Two Rivers Mountain Bike Park here in southern Missouri. I just so happened to be sent down here for work. I thought I have got to stop here again. So this time guys, last time I brought the cheapest Traxxas Slash project, but this time I made sure to bring the mighty Traxxas Xmaxx with me. So that's what I brought out today guys, and that's what we're gonna bash. Hopefully we don't break this thing, but we will see. Now, since the last time you saw this machine, the last time I had this thing out bashing, I broke one of my rear drive shafts as well as one of my front ones. I went ahead and I replaced the rear ones, so those have got the 8S dog bones, differential cups, and stub axles in there now. And I think I still have the 6S ones on the front because just FYI, this originally was a 6S Xmaxx. It's been upgraded, but if we do break a drive shaft, it's probably going to be a front one. We do not want to lose rear drive like last time. Also, since the last time I had this out bashing, I put a center differential in this one. This has upgrade center diff in it now, and we are going to be testing out these Power Hobby Scorpion XL belted wheels and tires and see how these are for bashing. Got my controller flipped on. We're going to go ahead and turn on the machine. Eight beeps for 8 cell. Now the LiPos I'm running, I put some bubble wrap here to help kind of take up some of that slack so it won't move around a ton, but these are 6500 milliamp, 100C discharge rate, 4-cell batteries. And this thing's running a 22-tooth pinion and a 54-tooth spur gear. We're probably gonna have to start off gently, guys, because I do not want to break this thing right away. I mean, we got some pretty big jumps and stuff here, and I feel like I could break this thing pretty quick. So we're gonna start off gently and then kind of hopefully ease into it and hopefully start doing some of these bigger jumps. Ready, get set, here we go. Whoa. This is like the ultimate RC to bring out here, really. Ooh, body came off. Bring it back. Ooh, tumbled it. Ooh, gotta go grab it. I think we're gonna go over here to this wooden berm right now, guys, and try to hit this with the X-maxx. Nice little flip around thing there. Ooh, almost hit myself. Here we go, bring it back. Well, we jump in the grass here. Ooh, she turned off. So like usual guys, I already ran into one issue. My little adapter right here, it came unsoldered. So it heated up so much when I was bashing over here, just for like 5 minutes or less. Thing came unsoldered, and now this right here, I can't get this one off. This one's like burned on, this one too. But yeah, this one came desoldered. I have no way of reattaching it. So that kind of sucks. So the good thing is I do have some batteries with Dean's connectors, so I can plug those in, but we're just not gonna have as much run time. But let me go ahead and swap them over and hopefully we can keep on going. And I definitely wanna go ahead and hit some of this bigger stuff before we have any more issues with this thing. I was finally able to pull this piece with the adapter out, but you can see what it did. It completely burned and charred the end piece. So this is probably somewhat charred in here too. Maybe I can clean that up with some electrical cleaner or something, and hopefully I'll still be able to use this battery. Oh well. But I do have 2 batteries in there now that are 2 4S packs, but they're only 4500 milliamp. I'm gonna get up over here because I want to jump over these real quick. Whoa! Guys, this mountain bike park's really beating the crap out of the Traxxas Xmaxx. I can see already there's a tooth that's broken. You guys can see right here, broken tooth. On top of that, my zip tie that was holding my dual blower fan on broke off, and I that's one thing I didn't think to bring. I didn't bring any zip ties. But you guys can get a good look at the motor now, the 4985 HAWAIIN motor. But let's go ahead and keep on going before this thing breaks again. Ooh, you can hear it, guys. We're gonna jump it from this direction now. Let's just send it. Whoa! That one actually landed pretty smooth. Give this video a thumbs up if you like that, guys. Let's bring it back this way. Send it. Nice. Okay, let's bring it back from that way again, guys. You can definitely hear that pinion. Whoa! Nice. Bring it back one more time. Whoa! Oh, that's the body. Here's what happened. The body got caught under here. I thought that's a terrible noise. Well, guys, if you're liking this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, because this X-maxx is definitely going to be broken by the end of this. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Make sure to tap that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I do come out with new videos, because wherever I go for work, I get sent all over the place. I try to find places when I'm on my way home to stop at. Just so happens this is a place that happened to be on the route back, and I knew I had to stop here with the X-maxx. I do have to say, these are probably not the best wheel and tire option for bashing. The thing just kind of bounces. It is still running the 30 weight shock fluid, I believe. Ooh, we're upright. We're gonna hit this now, guys. Hopefully I can hit it straight on. Here we go. Ooh, we actually landed it. Spin it around and we're gonna hit this way. Ooh. Still in one piece as far as I can tell. Let me hop up on this. Hit the berm. Oh! Bloody heck. Body came off. Let's get down there and get to it. Throw the body back on, and let's keep on going. Let's go. And here we go. Full on. Yikes, and it broke. Let's go investigate. I sent it pretty high that time, guys. We broke something. Shock. Rear shock completely gone, and that's something I did not bring a new shock shaft. I should have. I brought new arms. So upper arm broken right here. Shock shaft broken. She's not even going to be able to make it back to the car under its own power. I don't think. and there went the pinion. That did not last very long, guys. That did not last very long, guys, but if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I really tried to send it here. I wish we could have hit some of those, but hopefully I got a few good shots on this. But yeah, she is broke. She is broken. But, ooh. Okay, we broke the screw through the front shock tower halves. That I can probably just put a washer on that side, screw that back through. There's probably something else damaged I'm just not noticing. I'm just a little bit concerned. I just don't want there to be anything like a cracked bulkhead or anything. Because we came down pretty hard, but it looks like all the damage is on the rear portion. And we even have a cracked, yep, this bottom one's cracked too, bottom suspension arm. But if it's just the suspension arms on this side and the shock shaft, and then I can probably fix this right here, that really isn't too bad. I mean, we lost a fan. I damaged my batteries possibly. The connectors, the adapters got damaged. This pinion gear is screwed, and it's very, very hot to the touch. There, it's missing most of a tooth. There, missing a lot. This is putting a lot of stress on the Traxxas Xmaxx, guys. It was never meant to hit stuff like this. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Hopefully I'll be back out here again, probably with my other X-maxx. It has the better basher tires, and we'll see how that one does. So, I'll see you later.